Hi guys, this is Alex from Blackbox My Car. The Blacksys CH100 is capable of parking mode when hardwired or paired with a battery pack. Today, we will show you the steps involved for the hardwire installation using the direct hardwire kit from Blacksys. You will need your camera, hardwire kit, a multimeter or circuit tester, and some basic tools such as a socket wrench set and a plastic trim tool. Step 1. Locate your fuse box and find the fuse chart. Use your circuit tester or multimeter to determine which fuses are constant power and ones which are ignition switched. Step 2. Put your hardwire kit wire into the added fuse and crimp the wire. Put the necessary fuses in the added fuse and plug it back into the fuse box in the correct orientation. For the Blacksys hardwire kit, the red wire will be for constant. This may be different for different dash cams. Step 3. Using your socket wrench, find a suitable grounding point and loosen the nut or bolt. Place the grounding terminal of the hardwire kit underneath and tighten it back up. Step 4. Start the car and test the camera powers on properly. Step 5. Mount the front camera using the mounting tape. You can use the Wi-Fi app to make sure the camera is aimed and aligned properly before sticking the adhesive. Afterwards, run your hardwire cable to the front camera using a trim tool. Step 6. Now plug in the rear camera cable and run it towards the rear window using your trim tool. The Blacksys CH100 also comes with adhesive mount clips, which may be useful. Step 7. If you're installing this on an SUV or hatchback, run the rear camera cable through the grommet of the liftgate. Remove the plastic trim on the inside the liftgate to pull your wire. Step 8. Mount the rear camera on the rear windshield and plug it in. Make sure to mount where the rear wiper can clear if your vehicle has one. Use the Wi-Fi live view to aim the camera to your liking by rotating the lens. Step 9. Hide the excess wire and replace the liftgate trim. Those are the essential steps to installing your Blacksys CH100. At this point, you can use the Wi-Fi app to configure the settings to your liking. If you aren't concerned with parking recording, you can also simply connect the CH100 using the supplied cigarette cable. You simply need to plug it into your car's 12-volt socket and run the wire up to the front camera. Again, use the trim tool to tuck this cable neatly. You might be able to run the cable behind the glove box, which will also be a good place to hide the excess. The best way to install your CH100 would be to pair it with the battery pack. The battery pack can be charged through the 12-volt socket or hardwired. You can plug the Blacksys into the female socket of the cell-link. Make sure to turn on the use external power mode if you're using this method. The cell-link is the safest way to install a parking mode system as it avoids any errors. BMWs in particular are prone to displaying error messages on the dashboard when the computer detects a drain on the car's battery. The cell-link works by eliminating the stress on your car's battery and extending recording time. Note that the BMW X5 that we used in this video requires an extended wire cable due to the rear fuse box. We offer a professional wire splicing service and can help ensure that your setup will work in your vehicle. Contact the Blackbox My Car representative today if you have any questions about the Blacksys CH100.